The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is the kind of CPU that makes motherboard shopping feel confusing, because you don't need some extreme overclocking platform to get great performance. What you do need is a stable motherboard that handles DDR5 memory well, keeps boost behavior consistent, and doesn't cause random issues months after the build. That's why b650 is the right chipset for most 7800X3D builds. You get modern features, good performance, and long-term AM5 support without paying extra for things this CPU won't use. In this video, we're comparing the best b650 motherboards for the 7800X3D across 3 tiers: budget, overall value, and premium. You'll also see which alternatives make more sense depending on your case size or build style. You can find all links to the suggested motherboards in the description. Let's start with the budget tier. In this range, you'll usually see 3 boards mentioned: Gigabyte's b650 Aorus Elite AX V2, ASRock's b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi, and sometimes ASRock's b650 PG Lightning for people trying to spend as little as possible. The first thing to understand is that the 7800X3D is efficient. It doesn't stress VRMs the way higher core CPUs do. But that doesn't mean any cheap board is fine. You still want stable power delivery, decent cooling around the socket, and memory support that doesn't turn EXPO into a gamble. The ASRock b650 PG Lightning is the most basic option here. It runs the CPU, supports DDR5, and gets you on AM5. If your build is simple and you don't care about extras, it can work. The downside is that it's clearly a stripped-down board. Fewer features, less flexibility, and less margin if you plan to add hardware later. The ASRock b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi is more practical if you're building in a smaller case. Being micro-ATX makes it easier to fit into compact mid-towers, and it still covers the basics well for a gaming system. You get enough M2 support, built-in Wi-Fi, and power delivery that's more than enough for a 7800X3D at stock settings. The trade-off is fewer expansion slots and slightly more limited rear I/O compared to full ATX boards. The board that stands out in this tier is the Gigabyte b650 Aorus Elite AX V2. It's priced like a budget board, but it doesn't feel cut down in the areas that matter. You get modern networking, a sensible layout, multiple M2 slots, and VRM cooling that's more than sufficient for this CPU. For a typical gaming build with 1 GPU and a few drives, it covers everything without feeling compromised. That's why the budget pick that makes the most sense for the 7800X3D is the Gigabyte b650 Aorus Elite AX V2. It's the board you choose when you want to save money without sacrificing stability or future flexibility. It handles DDR5 EXPO well on current BIOS versions, supports common build configurations without workarounds, and fits cleanly into most ATX cases. The downsides are reasonable to accept at this level. The BIOS experience isn't as refined as higher-end MSI or Asus boards, and you don't get premium extras like high-end audio or advanced convenience features. But for a budget gaming build, those aren't deal breakers. If you're building in a smaller case, the budget alternative that makes more sense is the ASRock b650 M Pro RS Wi-Fi. And if your priority is the lowest possible cost on a full-size board, the b650 PG Lightning is the fallback as long as you understand what you're giving up. Now, let's move to the tier most people should actually target. In the overall value category, you're comparing boards that all run the 7800X3D perfectly fine, but differ in how polished and hassle-free the experience is. The main options here are MSI's MAG b650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, Gigabyte's b650 Aorus Elite AX V2 when pricing overlaps, and MSI's b650M Mortar Wi-Fi if you need micro-ATX without dropping quality. At this level, performance is no longer the deciding factor. You're buying reliability, BIOS maturity, and good defaults. You want to install your parts, enable EXPO, and have the system behave normally without extra tuning. The Aorus Elite AX V2 can still fit here, especially when it's priced aggressively, but the board that consistently earns its reputation in this tier is the MSI MAG b650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The Tomahawk is designed around stability. The power delivery is comfortably above what the 7800X3D needs, the VRM cooling is effective, and memory compatibility is generally strong with common DDR5 kits. It also has a very practical I/O setup with enough USB ports, fast networking, and clean internal layout. This is the kind of board that doesn't try to stand out visually, but instead focuses on being dependable. For most people, that's exactly what you want from a motherboard. So, the overall best choice for the average 7800X3D user is the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. You pick this when you want a platform that feels finished and stable. It's a good match for mid-tower builds, it works well with standard air or liquid cooling setups, and it doesn't push you into paying for features you won't use. The limitations are clear. This is not a B650E board, so you're not getting PCIe 5.0 support for the graphics card. And if you want a very flashy motherboard with heavy RGB styling, this isn't that. It's practical by design. If your case is smaller, the MSI Mag B650M Motor Wi-Fi is the best alternative here. It keeps the same design philosophy in a micro-ATX form factor and works well in compact mid-towers without feeling like a downgrade. And if the Tomahawk is overpriced in your region, the Aorus Elite AX V2 is still a strong substitute as long as pricing makes sense. Now let's move to the premium tier. Premium B650 only makes sense when it offers something tangible. With the 7800X3D, that usually means B650E boards, because the E designation guarantees PCIe 5.0 support for the GPU slot and often comes with a more refined overall build. The main boards worth looking at here are the Asus ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi, the higher-end B650E-E, and boards like the Gigabyte B650E Aorus Master if you're building something storage-heavy. It's important to be clear about expectations. A premium board will not increase your gaming performance with the 7800X3D. The reason to buy one is platform longevity, expansion support, and build quality. The Asus ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi hits the best balance in this tier. It gives you B650E features without going overboard, has a well-regarded BIOS environment, and includes quality-of-life features that make building and upgrading easier over time. This board makes sense if you plan to keep the motherboard through multiple GPU upgrades, care about having PCIe 5.0 available, or simply want a more refined platform without jumping into extreme pricing. So the premium pick is the Asus ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi. It's a good fit for higher-end builds where the motherboard is part of a longer-term plan. You get strong overall design, modern expansion support, and a cleaner tuning experience compared to mid-range boards. The downside is cost, and the fact that most of its benefits are about convenience and future planning, not immediate performance. If your goal is maximum gaming performance per dollar today, the overall value tier still makes more sense. If you need more I/O and storage than the B650EF provides, the B650E-E is the step-up option. And if your build is focused on heavy storage or multiple high-speed devices, a board like the B650E Aorus Master can make sense, but only when those features are actually needed. For small form factor builds, priorities change again. Mini-ITX boards can run the 7800X3D just fine, but cooling and layout matter more. If you want a practical ITX option, MSI's MPG B650i Edge Wi-Fi is commonly used in compact gaming builds. If you want B650E features on an ITX system, Asus's ROG Strix B650E-I is the premium option as long as airflow is planned carefully. So here's the final list, all things considered. For the best budget B650 board that still feels solid, the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX V2 is the pick. For the best overall value and the safest recommendation for most 7800X3D builds, the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is my top suggestion. And for premium features and B650E expansion support, the Asus ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi is the best option.